Righto, Sambo. Lovely salmon. So, bled this guy straight away after I caught him. Now I'm going to prepare him because you can get a good feed out of these guys, despite what everyone says. But I'll show you how I prepare them. And I'm only going to get a bit of waste. It's going to be Burley next fishing trip. Righto. Take your skin off. No surprises, I'm not too fussy. If it was a mulloway it'd be a different story. My knife's not the sharpest, but I'm trying to beat these mozzies. Rightio. Now all that red meat, all that bloody meat there, that's what tastes like shit. So we're going to cut as much of that out as we can. Usually if you go straight down the middle, that is what's going to taste like shit. And that's what a lot of people don't eat salmon, because they don't take this out. And they say salmon tastes like shit. And it does if you're eating this shit. Take that end off there. And just that bit there. Now it doesn't move a lot, but at least it's not going to taste like shit. Alright. A lot of waste, but still a lot of meat there. Let me go get another one. Big shark. Some stage, fairly fresh, not started healing. Burning the walls, this fella. Righto, so this has been in the fridge overnight in the milk. So time to drain the milk. Looking pretty good. I'll drain that out. Righto, that's all drained. Put a little bit of olive oil in the pan. Just gonna try some of this out. See how we go with our fish cakes. I normally bake this fish when I'm doing this, but I'm a bit hard up for time, so I'm going to try and slowly fry it. Probably got a little bit too hot for this, but anyway. See how this goes. Try that out. Come along alright. Now I don't want to overcook it because it's going to get cooked again once I've mixed it up and crumbed it into a cake, so just slowly let that go for now. Hence why I normally bake it, but I'll give this a crack. Pretty much it's done as I want. Alright, now we'll start with the mash. Got my mash ready there. So just gonna break up this fish. I'll get it in there first. So I'm gonna have to thicken this right up. Pepper. Shitload of Himalayan salt. But some garlic. Lemon, herb and garlic. Mixed herbs. Oh yeah. Alright. That's gonna thicken up a bit. So I might do that, might just let that cool for a while and I'll come back. So I've got the oil on the boil, and now I'm about to make it a mess, so let's see how this goes. Got some consistency, it's a bit thicker now, but it's going to be very messy, I can see. But let's give it a crack. Just grab a chunk of that out. And flour. Make a little patty into the egg, some crumbs, still a bit too soft, but see how we go, and into the pan. One down. Oh yeah. Pull down one, I got the rest of this batch. Let's just have a little sneak peek. It's just looking like that. Let's just have a little look into this. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. More than happy to keep catching salmon for that. Try it out. Sure, it won't be hard to cook it better than I can, but that's the basis of it. There's none of that red bloody meat in there, which is the key I think, but that is actually amazing. Give it a crack. Let me know how you go.